Hey, my friend Garrett Barry here. Hope you're doing amazing. Now, if you're currently promoting a business or opportunity on Instagram and you're not truly getting the amount of leads and sales you want, then this may be the most important video that you watch, because in this video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips on how I built over 25,000 followers and make anywhere from 2 to 5 sales a day just using free methods on Instagram. Okay, now my very first tip is when you want to promote on Instagram, you want to be branding yourself, not your company. You know, to share a quick story with you, about 3 years ago, I had just joined one of my first companies, and I started going on my Instagram and posting all about the company. And you know, I used the company name, and I started sharing all the vitamins, all the features that were in there, all over my Instagram page. What would happen is when I posted the logo and the name of the company, people that may have been interested in what I was doing simply went to Google, took 5 minutes to research the company, saw a couple negative reviews, and then never wanted to join me. The number one thing that gets people interested in what you're doing is curiosity. What I did, for example, was I started sharing the lifestyle that a person could get when they, bought my product or joined my opportunity. And what that did was it started to build curiosity. I started having people from all over the world messaging me, private DMing me, asking me, Garrett, what are you doing? Garrett, I'm interested. How can I become a part of this? Because they were seeing my lifestyle and they didn't know what I was doing. And then once they started to come to know, like, and trust me, they started to believe me over some random review on Google. Then when I presented my opportunity, my service, they were way more likely to join me because they knew me as a leader, and then they were okay with the company. Okay, so my second tip for you to really start to explode your business on Instagram is, how do we start getting more people, seeing your pictures? Let's say these are your pictures on Instagram. Well, we want eyeballs, right? We want people flocking to your pictures, so then when you present your business or your opportunity, they're going to be interested. So how do we do that? Well, there's actually a little trick in the news feed where people scroll to see pictures and videos. The way Instagram shows people those pictures is people that have commonalities or that have engaged with them in the past. Right before you post your next picture or video on Instagram, you want to go and you want to engage with people on your news feed on Instagram for about 10 to 15 minutes. Go through your newsfeed and start liking, commenting, and engaging with people on your newsfeed. Then when you go post your picture, what that's going to do is Instagram is going to show those people your picture more, and you're going to be able to get way more likes, way more comments and engagement, and a lot more people interested. Okay, so my final tip to really explode your business on Instagram today is you don't want to be posting blatant ads. Okay, now I'm going to put, that is a terrible drawing of an X through ads, okay? Now, why don't you want to be posting ads? It just pushes people away. See, the reason people go to Instagram is not to be sold. They go to Instagram to be social, to get to know people. Rather than posting blatant ads, is you want to post indirect ads, okay? So it's still ads in a way, but you're indirectly selling, okay? So indirectly. What do I mean by that? I mean, it's posting in such a way that it builds intrigue and curiosity, so people start to wonder, what is this person actually doing? But the only way they can know what you're actually doing is to reach out with you, is to maybe go to the link in your bio. You leave that open to the imagination, and you don't actually tell them exactly what you're doing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this helped you. Now, what I'd love to do is share with you my totally free and popular Instagram guide revealing my RVL posting formula. Now, this formula breaks down the best 3 types of posts you should be making on Instagram to generate easy leads and sales on Instagram and explode your business. So there's going to be a link somewhere around this video. Go ahead and click on that link right now. You're going to get taken to a page where you can opt in to get sent this private guide. Go ahead and do that, and I look forward to seeing you over on the guide and helping you take your business and your Instagram to the next level. Take care, my friend.